full of flavor. She's got the recipe, Anita Wills, the queen of culinary. From the kitchen to the screen, she's a master chef. Every dish she whips up is an absolute zest. She dances with ingredients, spices in the air, her cooking prowess. She's eager to share with a touch of love and a pinch of her magic. Anita Wills serves up meals that are pure and classic. From breakfast to dinner, she's got it all covered. Her food is an art lovers have discovered. With every bite, taste buds come alive. Anita Wills, the one who makes us thrive.